Okay, part 3, how to locate the consensus reward transaction for your investment. Now, for the round that was occurring when you did your staking, you may not receive any consensus rewards. So I recommend that you wait about 30 minutes before you start looking to see a record of the consensus reward that you're going to be receiving. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look through the blocks. Each block is processed by a different consensus node. Here they're called packing nodes. So all you need to do is find the block that processed your consensus node. Since the round occurs every 17 minutes, there will be one reference of your consensus node in whatever 17-minute chunks you start to look at. Now I'm just going to go to a block that I know has my record in it, 9130614. Here's my block. Recall that I staked in link world. There's the packing node. I'm going to tab on the hash for this transaction. And the total amount is 1.158. And recall this is being processed about 85 times a day. And also recall that the amount of nulls that you're going to receive is influenced by 4 values. The first one is the credit ratio, then the amount of nulls staked to the node, then the transaction fees, and number 4, the amount of nulls that you have staked. Now here's all the participants that are receiving a portion of 1.158. And if we go back to my wallet here, my account ends in MCM. So we will just scroll down to find MCM. And here's MCM. And I'm receiving, for my 2,000 nulls, 0.00655,089. And that's an approximation based on the characteristics at the time that the block is produced. And I'm going to be receiving that amount 85 times roughly per day. And that concludes what I wanted to talk about with respect to staking. In our video description, we tell you about where you can submit your comments or questions. We look forward to hearing from you, and happy blockchaining.